Welcome back!
Today I take you to Huai Lam Phok Reservoir, Surin Province. Huai Lam Phok Reservoir is about 44 km east of Surin city.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nann
and Odin. Make the best out of your day, every day. In March, Nann and I traveled back to Surin to visit the Thai family. When we had free time, I would look for places I had not seen yet. As you know by now, I love mountains and lakes, and I like to explore them with my drones. When I flew Dji Avata across the reservoir, I found that there were lotus flower fields. The lotus season is finished already, but there are still some late flowers blossoming. As you can see, here they have red and white lotus flowers. And I found some ducks. But let's not disturb them too much. If you enjoy this video, just let us know in the comments and show us with hitting the like button. We like to show you the beauty of Thailand, and this is how this video came together. Just click subscribe and turn on all notifications if you want to get to know us better. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.